Hi, I'll explain conjunction in this class. So conjunctions are words which combine or join sentences, words or the group of words. And, but, so and or are the most common conjunction. So let's take some examples. God made the country and man made the town. So there are two sentences. God made the country, first sentence, and man made the town is second sentence. And the conjunction and is combining these two sentences. 2 and 2 make 4. So here there are two words, 2 and 2. So this conjunction 2 and is combining these two words, 2 and 2 make 4. So again, I have blue, black, red and green pen. So there are group of words, blue, black, red, green pen. So here the conjunction and is combining all these group of words. The man is poor but honest. So here again the conjunction but is combining two sentences. So the first sentence is the man is poor and the second sentence is he is honest. And if we combine these two using but, it becomes shorter. The man is poor but honest. So here it means the man is poor but he is honest. So correlative conjunctions. So some conjunctions which are used in pairs are called correlative conjunctions. So for example, either or, neither nor, both and, though yet, whether or, not only but also. So let's take example, either take it or leave it. So here either and or are used as a conjunction to connect two sentences, take it, leave it. Neither my friend nor the bookstore has the book. So here neither nor are the conjunction and they are adding two sentences, joining two sentences. My friend does not have the book, the bookstore does not have the book. So here if we combine these two sentences, it will become neither my friend nor the bookstore has the book. So let's take another example. We both love and respect him. So here both and are used as a conjunction. So we love him and we respect him. So here if we combine these two sentences, we both love and respect him. The next, I don't care whether you go or stay. So here whether or are combining two sentences. One, I don't care if you stay, I don't care if you go. Compound conjunctions. So compound conjunctions are the group of words which are used to join sentences. So for example, the cat jumped in as soon as he opened the window. So there are two sentences, the cat jumped in and he opened the window. So here as soon as is combining these two sentences. So next, he has a car as well as a bike. So again as well as a conjunction which is joining two sentences. He has a car and he has a bike. So examples of compounding conjunctions are as soon as well as, even if, so that. So now let's discuss classes of conjunctions. So conjunction can be classified into two categories. One, coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunctions. So coordinating conjunctions are the conjunctions which join two sentences of equal status or equal stature. And subordinating conjunction are conjunction which join one main sentence to a subordinative or helping sentence which is dependent on the first sentence. So let's understand it with the help of examples. So bird fly but fish swim. So there are two sentences which is joined by conjunction but. Bird fly is first sentence, fish swim is another sentence. So both sentences are complete and but is joining these two sentences of equal status. So it's a coordinating conjunction. I read newspaper because it interests me. So because is joining two sentences. I read newspaper, which is a complete sentence and a main sentence. Here it interests me. So it interests me is not a complete sentence, and it's not complete without mentioning the first sentence. So because is a conjunction which is joining two sentences in which one is a main sentence and second is a subordinating or dependent sentence. So because is a subordinating conjunction.